Hello, I'm Jason. Thank you so much for agreeing to try out our app, and we can't wait to hear your feedback. I'm going to give you a quick 2-minute tutorial on how to get started. So you should have received a link from one of us by now. So I'm going to pull up the link, and it looks like this. Once you click on this link, it says Step 1, Get Test Flight. So press the button that says View in App Store. This is our testing software, which lets us run this app on your phone. So go ahead and download Test Flight. All right, and once you're finished downloading Test Flight, you should be able to open it, and it will show up on your home screen. My Test Flight is right here, and I will press on that. Fantastic. I'll allow notifications and press Continue. Excellent. And now I will go back to this link, which I was texted. I'll press it again, and it should go straight into my Test Flight app, and it should show something like this, Mida app. So just press Install over here, and our app will be onto your phone. Wonderful. Now that it's installed, it should be on my home screen, and here it is right here, Mida. So if you'd like to try out our app, you just press the Mida app right over here, and then it tells us a bit about what we're testing out. And then, okay, I can just press Start Testing. So here's how you use the Mida app. There's a big blue microphone button on the bottom right here. And in order to use our app, all you need to do is say any language, whether that's English, Chinese, Chinglish, Hindi, French, Franglish, and we'll be able to recognize that. And we turn whatever you say into professional and polished English so you can sound your best. Let me give an example. All right, Mida would like to access the microphone, so I press OK. Hello, I'm Jason. 我现在是个学生，在 Stanford University. 然后我的专业是 Computer Science. I press Stop. It's transcribing. And wonderful. And here's the output.
Hello, I'm Jason. I'm currently a student at Stanford University, majoring in computer science.
Wonderful. And feel free to test it out, and we would love to hear your feedback, especially when you find this useful or whether or not that's the case. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to email me at jasoncl@stanford.edu. Again, that's jasoncl@stanford.edu. Can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you so much.